Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to create users in ServiceNow. So, users are a pretty much important component in any application. So, in ServiceNow, there are a few ways of creating a user. So, in most of the production environments where enterprise level applications are implemented, users won't be directly created on ServiceNow. There will be some kind of synchronization job that runs from either LDAP or single sign-on provider like Microsoft One, Okta, whatever the SSO that company enterprise level implementation has been done. Users will be usually imported from the respective Active Directory of the our organization. But in this scenario, let's talk about a few the direct way of creating users in ServiceNow, so that if any requirement comes in how to create a user directly in ServiceNow, we can go ahead and do that. To do that, let's switch on to the our development instance PDI. In PDI, enter in the all menu. There is just type in something called users. So users are part of usually user administration or security. Usually both of them will take to the same location. So I'll go to the system security and the users right click on the hyperlink. Here it will take to the list of available users that out of box instance has provided. Okay. So to create a new user, the first step that we have to follow is click on new button in the right side top corner. So that will open up a blank form where user details needs to be filled in. Ideally, in this form, except user ID, I don't see any mandatory fields that are required to be created here, since it's out of box instance and um, no no mandatory fields have been checked in here. Okay, so let's try to create a user. So user ID is something that will be unique in the Active Directory. I will give it as a demo user, and I'll take the name as demo user, and the first name is demo I can give, last name is user I can give. The title can be what is the role, or what is it I can give. It's IT admin I can give. The department, let's see what departments are available. I can give it as IT. The email ID, though it is not mandatory, let's try to create a user ID, so that it's good practice to go ahead and create email ID for a given user. Language system default I'm taking in. And the time zone is set as American Los Angeles. I'll leave it like that. If any phone number or any business phone number or mobile phone number available to the user, you can provide them here, and a photo can be attached here for the end user. So all these fields, what we are entering manually here, they will be part of the feed that is coming from the external system in production environment, either from LDAP or Active Directory that is set up at organization level, as I told earlier. And we can click on save. This will go ahead and create the user in the system. So once the user is created, the user will get saved, and additional details in the form will open, like roles, groups, or rest of the details we'll discuss in the upcoming session. Thank you very much.